Hello again from the Trading Bots YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass NovaClick Waitlist through an early access code. So first thing you want to do is head to the link in the description. It's tradingbots.net. That's the website you want to go to get the early access code to skip the waitlist. So you're going to go scroll down. You're going to go find NovaClick over here. You're going to click this arrow. After that, it's going to tell you to join NovaClick. Please click that. Once you do, it's going to take you to this page. You're going to go to Open Telegram Desktop. Once you do that, congratulations, you are inside, and that is how easy it is. You're going to press Start. It's going to give you a private key and your wallet address. You need to keep that key safe. It's your password. Don't share it with anyone. Preferably write it down on a piece of paper and keep it safe. That's pretty much it. It's going to give you a wallet address that you can use to deposit your Solana. And that's all there is. And you can definitely watch one of our other videos on YouTube if you want to know the best fees, best tips and tricks, best settings regarding NovaClick and using it with BullX Neo. There's a video on our YouTube channel. You can definitely watch that. And that's all for today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.